doing this is this 100 days drawing challenge, and we are on episode number 55. Yeah, and we are going to make an elephant. Aren't elephants so cool? Like they take in the water, they blow out the water. That is so fun. And then they take in it in the spoon and eat it. You can't see their mouth, and the tusks are very sharp. It's better not to make them angry. And today we are going to drawing of an elephant. Let's get started. Okay, so we'll draw this. I can't on this mirror. Too short. What is this? I can't even understand. It's like, this looks good. I have some. Now we are going to draw the little details. And time to color. That. What? A pink over here. And we're done with this elephant drawing. And now where's black? I need black ones. Can they even match? Oh yes, you can see. Okay, friend, if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel and share your drawing with us on Instagram. And tell me what to draw next. The first 5 comments win exciting goodies with Parikshit from Parikshit and Kids from the Club. Bye.